the first day of the third week and I'm here to assemble the Zeer Pot. So that's the smaller pot. That's my cat Tal. This is the bigger pot. And then I have the plate, 2 pieces of wood so that there will be ventilation at the bottom, a heavy duty tape, and the soil. So let's do this. So I tape the holes in the pot so that it'll be enclosed. To put my smaller pot, and I also put heavy duty tape so that the pot will be enclosed. Level as the other pot, and we're gonna put soil in between the 2 pots. This is the Zeer Pot. I just finished putting the soil in the gaps and I'm now gonna put water. This is the finished product and I'm gonna put now my wet cloth. So I wanted to check if there really was a difference in the temperature of the Zeer Pot. So I put the wet cloth for 30 minutes already, and let's check if there really is a change in temperature. So right now it's 30.5. Hope you can see it. It's 30.5, and let's check the Zeer Pot. It says it's 27.6. So there is a change in temperature. The Zeer Pot is working, and that's only for 30 minutes. So let's check later on. Right now the cloth is already dry and the soil is damp. It's only damp. So right now the temperature is 29.5. Let's check the Zeer Pot. So guys, we'll be changing the terracotta pot to a metal pot. So let's go. This is the inside of the terracotta pot. So you can see how hollow it is. And that's used to be where the terracotta pot was. So now we're gonna fill the gap with soil. So medyo maliit yung bucket kaya sa terracotta pots, as you can see. Like that. So let's do it.
So thank you so much, Jelly, for starting us off for the Terracotta series. So next week, which is week number 4, we'll be continuing the Terracotta series as well as starting on the plastic series. So if you've noticed, we've only really showed you one temperature per day, and that's because we're actually going to be reserving the rest of the results for the 5th week, where we'll be comparing each and every pot and how effective they are. So thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next week.